Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello. Today I'm here to do an unboxing of your Creative Studios subscription box. Now I'm not sure if this is October's or November's. Normally there's a little sticker on the back what says what month it is, so I didn't even know I was receiving it, so all I did was just open the side and I saw that that's what it was. So let's have a look. And it's funny, I've not actually seen any unboxings for a while, so I am a bit like, oh, I don't know kind of what month they're on. So I'm wondering if it's October but really late, or November really early. So does it, I don't think it says on the card. It just says thank you so much. If we opened our minds to enjoyment, we might find tranquil pleasures spread about us on every side. We might live with the angels that visit us on every sunbeam and sit with the fairies who wait on every flower. Oh, is this like a fairy? Oh, I'm excited. Let's see if I can grab the whole thing out. So yeah, I've not seen any, so I don't know if anybody else has. But maybe the mail started to go a little bit slow, you know, with people starting ordering things for Christmas and all the rest of it. So let's have a look. What's the camera shot like? It's not too bad. It's a little bit shadowy, isn't it? It's really dark here in the UK. So let's have a look. I think she's changed the paper again. I do like this. I'll mess about with that after. Right, let's have a look. Oh, this looks really nice. Gosh, there's a lot of stamps. Wow. So, stop looking and just do it. Just do it. Right. Oh gosh, there's loads in here. Oh yeah, it's definitely got a flower fairy theme, hasn't it? So let's do these papers first. So these are some lovely stamps, and these are really nice because she normally does white stickers. So yeah, these are nice. Is it just one sheet, or are they? Yeah, they're separate. They're separate ones. So yeah, they're very nice. We'll be doing some fairy things in the spring, so I shall probably save a lot of this. So we've got some 6x6. Are they papers or are they stickers? Normally stickers, but it's feeling like it's paper. Yeah, I think it's one more go. Yeah, I think it's paper. These are beautiful. Like a midnight garden. That's pretty. Beautiful rose one. Yeah, they're beautiful. Very vintagey looking. So there's the papers and the stickers. I don't know if they're still in view. Let's have a look at these. So I'm guessing these are like the post-it notes. There's always some kind of post-it notes in there. Yeah. Don't want to break the band really, because I'd like to... Shall we just pull one out? Are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same. So I don't know how many's in here. I'd say a good 20. Oh, aren't they lovely? So they're not not stickers. They're just little bits of paper, and so you can stick them down and have a bit of a flip up, or just pop them in a pocket, or put them on a tag. So that's those. Love the colours. Very vintage looking. So yeah, there's definitely, I would say there's over 20. I'm not counting them. So that's that. So looking here, daily things. Oh, I love little packets. What's this then? Oh, look at this. Oh, the all vellum And they look like little receipts. Oh, these are so cute. Yeah, they're all little receipts. I've never known really how to use these tiny pieces of vellum, but they'll probably come in very handy when I'm doing my planner next year. So yeah, they all look totally different as well. Yeah, so they all like vintage receipts, ledger, all the rest of it. So I'd probably say there's 50. Yeah, I think there's 50 sheets in there. What a lovely little book. Really pretty, thank you. Right, let's have a look at this one. Oh, notepad. Oh, that's pretty. There's normally 3 designs in these. Let's have a... Oh, yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah, I'm really liking the vintage look. So that's that. I would probably say there's a good 50 sheets in there. So that's that one. Don't they all match? Lovely. Think what I'm going to make with them. So these are some stickers. Oh, that's a map. So I suppose you can cut these out individual, or just keep them, you know, cut the top off and keep them. Oh, they're nice. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I suppose you cut that one up. It's a nice one. Oh, another one of them, I like them. Yeah, I do like those. And some little people. So that's those, and the nice matte ones, not shiny. Oh, crikey, what's this? Yeah, there's absolutely loads in it this month. Sounds like a jigsaw. Lovely box. Oh, they're all stickers. Oh, nice. So these are like, I don't know if these are stickers on. I don't think they are actually. No, I think these are just actual vellum pieces. Look at that. Can you see that? These are all pretty roses. And these are just a paper. Oh, they're nice. Make some easy tags with those. And another rose. And then I'm guessing these ones are going to be stickers. That's nice. These are different. I've not seen any like these. I love that. And roses. Not sure what that is. Just a shape. It might be an odd one. I like these label ones. Yeah, another funny shape. Maybe they're supposed to be like torn pieces. I suppose once they're stuck down, they look a bit different. Yeah, I do like the label ones. I like that. I think these would be very good in my planner. That's pretty. Oh, that way. That way. I hope I'm not off screen. It's a bit hard to tell. I can't really see the screen of the camera. Yeah, really like these ones. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, they're a little bit different. Very journal-like, aren't they, for putting putting it as you're making spreads and things. I think they're all different as well. I don't think I've come across any the same. And I think there was these couple, a bit bigger. Oh, that's nice. And that one. So yeah, I don't know how many's in there. I'd probably say 50, 45, 55. Love that box. I have to do something with that. I think I'm going to pop those back in, because otherwise I just end up with loads of bits floating about. Oh, and then we've got this long one. That looks very interesting. Oh dear. Silly me. Right, come on. I might have to sellotape the bottom up. Oof, right, just stay in there. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Very interesting. I'm wondering if there's any rollers in it. Are they all the same? Do they rip off? Are they individual? I don't think so. These would be great for page edges and doing some collage on them. Yeah, I really like those. Yes, I should be definitely doing something with those. So that's those. Let's just move those to the side of it. And then we've got all these stamps. Oh no, this is washi. So oh, look at that washi tape. Oh, that's beautiful. A lot of this is exclusive to your creative studio. Like she designs the stamps, the washi, the stickers, and the notebook, which is lovely because then they're all, you know, the same, they're matching. Yeah, that's beautiful. Super. So that's the washi, and then we've got some cling stamps. Let's. Oh, I can't believe there's two big ones. Oh, nice. The wooden ones. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Yes, I love that. And I really do love wooden stamps. So I do think they're a lot easier. I'm wondering if, oh no, that's a cling. Oh no, they all say cling stamp. I wonder if she's changed two wooden ones. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you getting some glare off that? I think that's better. Yeah, they're lovely. And then, yeah, I think this one's still a cling one. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Dropping it. And that's that one. So yeah, what a fabulous box that is. So 3 stamps, a washi, lots of stickers. Oh, I forgot about the papers as well. Oh, and these. Yeah, so yeah, she would have created these as well. Yeah, absolutely beautiful set. So I shall come back either later in the week or the beginning of next week and do a little project with them. So, and the rest of the fairy stuff I'm going to save until next year when I do fairies. Right, that's it from me for today. Hope you've enjoyed having a look at that. And like I say, I'm not sure what month it is because I've not actually seen any unboxings. So I shall probably see you tomorrow. Bye for now.